Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Chevy Malibu Bluetooth issues. First, let's cover some basic checks. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on for both your phone and your car's infotainment system. Also, confirm your phone is discoverable and not already connected to another device. A simple restart of both your phone and the Malibu can often resolve minor glitches and refresh the connection. If basic checks don't work, the next step is to delete and repair your devices. First, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget or remove the Malibu. Then, on your car's infotainment screen, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and delete your phone from the paired devices list. After removing both connections, turn off your car, open the driver's door for about 2 minutes to reset the system, then try pairing again. Sometimes, a soft reset of the infotainment system can resolve persistent Bluetooth problems. For my link systems, put your Malibu in park. Then, press and hold the home and fast-forward buttons on the center console simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the screen goes dark. This action reboots the system, clearing temporary data without erasing your saved settings or paired devices. Finally, ensure both your smartphone and the Chevy MyLink system have the latest software updates. Outdated software often causes compatibility problems. You can usually check for car updates in the infotainment settings. If after trying these steps, your Bluetooth issues continue, it might indicate a hardware problem. In that case, it's best to seek professional diagnosis from a certified Chevrolet technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.